present the September edition of IRPS News Bulletin, and carrying forward our spirits, the theme of the month is Learning for Life.
हमारी भाषा हमारी पहचान के संदेश के साथ विद्यालय में 1 से 4 सितंबर तक हिंदी सप्ताह मनाया गया। इस दौरान विद्यार्थियों ने वाद विवाद, प्रश्नोत्तरी, जयशंकर प्रसाद पर विशेष कार्यक्रम, काल पर आधारित कविता पाठ और व्याकरण पर रोचक नाटिका प्रस्तुत कर सभी का मन मोह लिया।
The Tata Building India National Level Essay Writing Competition was organized on 4th September for the classes 6 to 12 on the theme Self-Reliant India. Students expressed their creativity and patriotic spirit through powerful words. स्कूल टीम ने 5 सितंबर को अयोध्या में आयोजित जोनल स्तरीय कला उत्सव प्रतियोगिता में अद्भुत प्रदर्शन किया। टीम ने 6 स्पर्धाओं में प्रथम पुरस्कार और 5 स्पर्धाओं में द्वितीय पुरस्कार प्राप्त किए। प्रथम पुरस्कार जीतने वाले छात्र राज्य स्तर के लिए चयनित हुए। The Spin Mackey program was held on 9th September. Renowned artist Mr. Salil Bhatt mesmerized the students with his unique instrument, Satvik Veena, performing the devotional classic Payo Ji Maine Ram Ratan Thin Payo. He was accompanied by Mr. Kaushik Kanwar on the tabla. On 10th of September, Member of Boards of Directors Mr. G. Venkatesh and CEO of Himachal Plant Mr. Uday Kumar Sanjeevan, along with our HR head Mr. Manoj Kumar Jha, visited our school. They visited our labs, art room and music room and appreciated the efforts of the students. On 15th September, 2 of our dedicated teachers presented an art-integrated workshop at Gauriganj, showcasing creative methods of blending art with academics as step towards holistic education and innovative teaching. 3 of our budding players represented their school in the state Under-14 football tournament held at Pilibhit, organized by the Directorate of Sports and UP Football Association from 16 to 23rd September.
The school celebrated Teachers' Day with immense joy and gratitude on 6th of September. The highlights included a cultural program performed by the students of class 11th and 12th and heartfelt class celebrations dedicated to the mentors. A highly interactive design thinking workshop was conducted by retired Major General Rajesh Sahai on 17th of September. The session empowered educators with creative problem solving skills and innovative strategies to enhance teaching practices.
On 23rd September, the girls of our school actively participated in a rally on women's safety, dignity and empowerment as a part of Uttar Pradesh government's 5th phase of Mission Shakti, spreading awareness and inspiring positive change.
On 20th of September, teachers participated in an online STEM robo workshop. The session focused on integrating artificial intelligence into lesson plans to make classroom learning more innovative and futuristic.
The half-yearly examinations for all the classes were held from 11 to 26 September, providing a platform to assess and strengthen students' academic progress. On 25th September, the school bid an emotional farewell to our respected teachers, Mrs. Ritu Gaur and Ms. Manisha Tripathi, to honor their contributions to the school. Our respected Principal Sir graced the 29th Education Summit in Lucknow as a speaker and was conferred with the prestigious Leading School Principal Award on 28th September. This honor stands as a testament to his dedication and visionary leadership. workshop by Major General Rajesh Sahai was conducted for the students of classes 9 to 12 on 19 September, enriching young minds with motivation and
Good morning to you all. My name is Lieutenant Rajesh Sahai and I'm an Indian Army officer. I retired in 2017 with spending 40 years of my life in the Army. Today I'm sitting here in Indorama Public School and I must thank the principal who invited me to speak to the children of the school to motivate them. I have always led a life of my own choice because I always believe the choice rests with me. I'm slightly selfish in this matter that I do it for myself and not for anyone else. Because once I do it for myself, I know what I have to do and where it is going to take me. Second thing, which I just want to touch, the second point, is that I have a dream. I still have a dream. Even at this age, I still have a dream. And when I dream, I put a date on the dream and make it my goal. And from the goal comes out my plan, and from the plan comes out my action. So even post-retirement in the last 7 years, I have trained nearly 17,000 people of the corporate, of the government sectors, to colleges, to schools. I do a lot of training and I am totally involved because I feel it is the time to give back to the society. Give back to the people who have brought me to this level. And whoever is hearing it, just remember, first, Jai Hind.
A workshop on POSH was organized for the school and hospital team. The session highlighted workplace safety measures and sensitized everyone about creating a respectful and secure environment.